InfoSec 2025 mission complete.
By far one of the best stands, yes.
3 days of non-stop energy, incredible conversations, and hands-on experiences at Mission Control. From interactive demos to real talk with the team, we showed what smarter, simpler cybersecurity really looks like.
I feel like this was so centralized and it was incredibly easy to work with. You can tell they've really put a lot of importance on that because they know that not everyone's going to be a cybersecurity whiz. And the integration, I think, is a really good feature of it. It understands that, maybe you have contracts with other vendors, so they make sure that you are able to, integrate all of those things within it. I feel like everything within this product is so easy, so it's very much worth checking out.
So, are you ready for your next mission? It's time to secure your business. Get started today with a 28-day free trial and see what defense.com can do for you.